When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy, roomy, at a pandiculation from skyscrapers of New York City, under the shadow of the magnificent Mario Cuomo Bridge, on the eastern shoulder of the mighty Hudson River, sits a cute little town called Tarrytown. Today I happen to be in this area, that was once the Valley of Tappan Indians. This valley is known as Tappan Zee. Zee is a Dutch word for sea, just 25 miles from the heaven of skyscrapers, otherwise known as Manhattan. While walking on the Greenway Trail, on a beautiful sunny day like this, it seems that the tall towers of Manhattan are invitingly throwing kisses through the waves of the river. It makes me feel so on a par with those unreasonably tall structures. Still, their ferociousness melts into a picturesque scene from the benches of Tarrytown. Distance subdues their grandeur. An astronaut knows how tiny the planets seem from afar. Even a burning sun looks like a shining star from a distance. Other than anything else, snow arrived to greet us in this beautiful Hudson Valley. A thin layer of white carpet welcomed us here on our first morning. Night snow sneaks in silently, yet it dominates the entire scenery. Snow further adds to the beauty and the piousness of an auspicious Christmas Eve. And it's December 24th today. The city is well decorated and the shops overflowing. The hustle-bustle of NYC and the re-emerging virus attack pushed us out of the Big Apple. The charm of Blue Hill at Stone Barns, Shiraz Kitchen, Swagat Indian cuisine, and the like, drew us toward Tarrytown. The flock of sheep at the food and agriculture farm at Stone Barns reminded me of the holy shepherds that led humanity out of ignorance and introduced faith. The Castle Hotel and Spa is another of the town's attractions. This grand structure works hard at maintaining its relevance in today's modern times. With no lifts or elevators, it is a struggle in itself to remain solvent. Yet our desire to become a king or queen, and to dwell in manors and forts, keep these monotonous buildings lit. And of course, it's fun of a certain kind. Man has built great systems of defense, and forts have played a vital role in protecting empires and kingdoms. Even so, from the Great Wall of China to the walls of Constantinople, nothing could be wholly protected from invaders. That's why they say a fence is the best defense. Yet this prolonged the age of the civilizations that built them. Today most castles advertise to attract guests from all over the globe. Yet they were originally built to protect the valleys from the world. How tables are turned over time. Speaking of history, as a student I tried to read about this little town. A blog will not do it justice. From Indian traders of fur to flour mills, from shoe factories to World War aircraft manufacturers, it has hosted a lot, from Indian canoes, to white man steamboats, to railroads, and the Governor Mario M. Cuomo Bridge of Tarrytown has witnessed many transformations. Its relevance has continued to grow in parallel with its value in real estate, and much more. Among the beautiful landscapes of the large New York state, Westchester has its own grace, and the Hudson River certainly adds considerably to its beauty. It's a must-see place for those who appreciate the blending of technology and nature. Here, they walk hand in hand, like both of us on the river walk. Binoculars are positioned at intervals along the path, perhaps for those who believe they cannot truly see without them. Personally, I have no need for binoculars as I see through the eye of the heart. Rivers know this. There is no hurry. We will get there someday. A Milne. Credits?